Happy fall, y'all. It is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have, and I love this one. It's our mini loaf pans. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I've curated for you. Lots of collections. That's pretty and practical and purposeful. These are our mini loaves, 12 ounces in total capacity. If you've never seen our mini loaves before, well, come on in. These are amazing miniature bakers, 12 ounces in total capacity. Helper handles here on the side, hand painting inside and outside, snap-on storage covers for each one, and each one comes ready to little bow and go. Gift them. So 4 unique pieces that are coming together in our mini loaf pans. This is our fall collection, Buffetti. A little pumpkin patch. How about a little fall? How about a little harvest? Love this, so perfect. But then let's not forget, we also have holiday. So here we have, of course, our festive fetti poinsettia, our tree patterns, our characters, adorable plaids. Love, love, love. Everybody's mad for plaid. I have to say, these are so sweet in all of the different color combos, including a holiday and a harvest. We already talked about fall. We have polka dots. If you're seeing spots, that's by design. Look how sweet. 4 different colors, eggplant blue, pink, and gray. And then let's not forget our classics, our mix of old world and floral lace, and our beautiful bright primary colors of our navy blue, our red, our black, and our green. Remember, 4 great unique pieces coming together, 4 snap-on storage covers, 4 gift boxes. So truly break these apart, bow and go, and think about all the different things you can do, from banana bread and pumpkin bread and all those things in between. Where can you find it? Head on over to temptations.com and pick your pattern.